Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see how we can share records with community user, and we are going to use a new feature released by Salesforce, which is account relationship data sharing rule. We do know what is sharing rule, what is sharing set, sharing group, but let's see how account relationship sharing rule works. So this is my initial data setup to give an example that how account relationship data sharing can be used. So I have two accounts. I have edge communications and pyramid constructions. And let's assume that both account has a two contact, which is Shane Forbes and Pat Stimler. Let's assume both contact are the partner user. Now edge communication have 6+ opportunities and pyramid construction does not have any opportunity. Now the requirement I have is Pat Stimler, who is the user of pyramid construction, can be any other user, should be able to see an opportunity from edge communication, which has a name as Star Wars. So if this requirement comes, let's evaluate what are the some options we have. So if you think, can we use sharing set? So answer is of course no, because both contacts are partner community, which has a role, and sharing set is only applicable for high volume community user who does not have any role. So sharing set is gone. Can we use sharing rule? So we have criteria based sharing and we have owner based sharing. Certainly we can use criteria based sharing saying that okay, if the opportunity name equals to Star Wars, then share that opportunity with the external portal user role, and the role would be pyramid construction, either manager, user, or executive. Now the problem is each object can have total 300 sharing rule, including 50 criteria based. Now it's pretty clear that criteria based sharing rule is very important and we should not be using that. So the question is, what should we do? So the simple answer could be, okay, let's go ahead, create Apex based sharing rule, and we can just write a trigger on opportunity that whenever the opportunity gets created, share that record. But again, customization comes at a cost. What is the out of the box way? So let's say this. So like I said, we have two opportunities, two account. We have pyramid construction. I will open in another tab, and we have edge communications, and I will go in a setup. So if we go on account of pyramid, we see there is no opportunity. There is one opportunity, sorry, which is a pyramid emergency generator. And then in the edge computing, if you see, there are around 6+ opportunity. Now in the pyramid, we have this user. This is the user I was talking about. Let's try to log in by this user and see how many record this user can see. So if you see, this user does not own any opportunity. So if I log in by this user, so this is my community. I go in all opportunity, and here this user is not able to see any opportunity because the OWD of opportunity is private. This user is not even able to see this opportunity because now this pat stimuler is another user and this is the different user I have created. So let's not get confused that. So just to be on safer side, let's see this pat stimuler user. If we open, if I go on the user detail, you see this user is inactive. So even though it's same name, I was doing some testing, I disabled this user. So that's a different user. That makes sense now. So how do we use account relationship data sharing rule? So first of all, what we have to do is we have to go to the community settings and we have to enable account relationship. Now once it is enabled, it cannot be disabled. After that, we have to go to account relationship data sharing rule. Now right now I don't have any rule, so let's create a rule here. Now what I'm saying is, uh, I want to share Star Wars opportunity. I'm just giving an example on capability. Maybe this is not the real life example, but that will help. So Star Wars, I'm just giving unique developer name. I'm saying that if any account has a relationship with this account, and if they are, let's say, dealer, then I want for them to have a read-only access on opportunity object. Now this opportunity should be related to the account using account ID. So we are saying that any opportunity of account who has a name as Star Wars. So let's say create a formula here. Opportunity name equals to Star Wars. Save it. So I'm saying that if the relationship between two account is dealer. So what I will do is I will go on edge communication. Let's go on the pyramid construction again and log in by this user. So nothing is here. Now what I will do, I will go on edge communications. We have to share two. So edge communication needs to be shared to pyramid. So I have to go here. I will say Star Wars. I'm saying share with pyramid and it's a dealer. Save this. Go back in our community and here. So that's we just fulfill our requirement one. So again, just to recap, what we did is we created account relationship sharing rule. We said that if the relationship is a dealer, then give the read-only access to opportunity when if the opportunity name is Star Wars. So if you see out of the 6 opportunities, only one opportunity is visible here. So let's go back here in edge communication, delete this sharing rule or account relationship. If I delete this, if I go back here, I'm not able to see anything. Now another requirement I have is Pat Stimler, the same contact or any other user from the pyramid construction should be able to see all opportunity from edge communication. So in this case, I will create a new account relationship. So I'm saying all opportunity of edge communication, say edge communication opportunity, and I'm saying that if the relationship, let's say system integrator, relationship between two account is system integrator, I want to give the read-only access to opportunity, and opportunity is related to the account using account. So those all opportunities either can be related to account or owner or the user, sorry, and that's it. I'm not giving any criteria right now. I will go on edge communications and I'm saying that account relationship we need to share to. So I want to share edge communication to pyramid. I will say all opportunity, and I'm saying that relationship is system integrator, and here also it's a system integrator. Let's go and save this. And that's it. So without writing any Apex-based sharing rule, we are able to share any object which has a relationship to the user or account. Now in this case is opportunity, we are able to share them. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed, and please give a thumbs up